Hey, hi friends. Wanted to We have been not doing the market map for 1 or 2 days, and since we did the weekly analysis on Sunday, we have made a significant move from those levels. So I thought it's a good time to sort of catch up, review, and then plan for the next steps from here. Because we seem to have done a immediate target basis that we had set out at the start of the week. Okay, we'll start with Nifty and then quickly go to Bank Nifty. Nifty. Last Sunday we decided that 700 odd areas is a good base essentially. So, and we were still bullish until this was holding. So, and then we had seen that final bullish play out really play out well, and we did hit the areas of 930 today, and then sort of corrected. Now, given the late fall that we had, it's interesting to note that how we'll react from here. Okay, so Nifty. I'm looking at two things. One is, the VPOC here, which is last week's VPOC, which is around 785 to be a base. So, any pullback to this level and a support, we would look to continue the long bias intact. If we are not able to hold this, then I think we have a downside play on, okay, potentially 750, and then we have to see how we react from there. Okay, but this is one area I'll keenly watch out for the next session. On the other hand, if you're able to scale above these levels, which is let's say, roughly your 865, 870, I think, then we will sort of anyway have the bullish bias intact. Okay, so below that, I think 750 is, so sort of 780 is your key make or break level at this point. Okay, and similarly on the that's on the swing basis, by the way. And and Bank Nifty, again, Bank Nifty, I think what we have done is, we last week we again thought that low was the base. We had a run from there. We were targeting around 30. This, I think, the initial target was top of this range 544, and then from there. But anyway, we've got higher. Now what I'm looking for is, this area, which is your roughly around, let's say, this zone, yeah, roughly 350 to 150 area to be the base for this move. Okay, if you're able to hold anywhere, any pullback to this, which is good, that's a test we would like to see. But you might say that, okay, hey, we are at 600, so don't tell me this level. What's an intraday level to watch out for? So we'll quickly come to that as well. So intraday, I'll cover Bank Nifty first for a change now. Bank Nifty, from an intraday point of view, what I'll look to see is tomorrow, if you have any interest in holding into this zone. Okay, if you are not, I think we can rotate lower to test around 430, and then the space at 350. Okay, but tomorrow my first priority would be to see whether we have interest to hold this zone for a pullback play. If not, then probably a rotational downside play on an intraday basis is possible, and eventually maybe build a value around this region anywhere between 300 to 500 tomorrow. So probably a rotation play from this region is what we will have if you're not able to clear 550. Okay, above that, I think we can again attempt 700, 750. That's the plan for tomorrow at this point. Okay, real time we'll see on order flow activity in our group, so that please feel free to join if you're not part of it. And then coming to Nifty quickly, yeah, Nifty, clean it up for you guys. Okay, Nifty, what we would want to see is, I think, I'll just clean it up as well once. So what is the structure that we have today? First of all, start with the price instruction. We have this, and then we have this, and we have this, right? Okay, so and then we also have a consolidation structure here, right? Okay, so Nifty, the immediate thing tomorrow that we would want to watch is, between these two consolidation structures, are we able to hold? So something around this and this. Okay, are we able to hold, let's say, 815, 830? If not, I think then we can sort of trade lower and hit the 780, 790 level, or as he said, the last week's VPOC, which is yeah, 780, 790 levels. Okay, so that is where we would expect some base formation to happen. So generally, again, If you're not able to clear and hold this level, I am expecting a downside push maybe to test there, and then maybe consolidate within this range. Okay, if you break below, and it's tough, I think, for this up move to, then in that case on the short run. Okay, so that is the plan for Nifty. The idea of sharing these levels and talking through this process is so that you're also able to plan your levels and essentially build a thesis around it. Okay, and that's all, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.